of options when it comes to a toy hauler, but I think that you're going to love all the value that the Road Warrior team is giving you. Let's take a look at the all-new 391. I am standing on the zero gravity ramp. With the use of a key, it will electronically and automatically close and open for you seamlessly without any work. You're getting this patio kit, so all of the railing will come standard. This integrated LED awning that will cover this entire patio also will be coming standard in the 391. You're going to get a lot of utility here in this garage. It's a 13-foot garage. It is seamless, so you're not going to cut into any of your space. All of the tie downs are welded to the frame, so you have a lot of security with your expensive toys. You have large windows on both sides of this garage that will open to give you a nice cross breeze, as well as a lot of natural light. You should be able to easily sleep 4 to even 5 campers, depending on their size, by utilizing the Happy Jack double queen bed system. Here is your door going into that half bath, so you're going to have utility with that sink, a nice mirror, storage below the sink. Also, it's going to come standard with washer and dryer prep here in the garage. Immediately you are greeted with this loft bed. This is just yet another location in addition to the double queen beds that I had mentioned. We haven't even made it to the front of the coach, and you already have sleeping for 5 to 6 campers depending on their size. You've got this beautiful 18 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Remember, this is a toy hauler. A lot of our customers are going to be boondocking off-grid, not utilizing shore power, so it's good to know that we thought about them when we went to the appliances. So you got a nice 3-burner stove that's not going to inhibit your use of the counter space because it will come with the glass top. You also have a nice residential microwave as well. You have a very large counter space. This is all solid surface. You have a farmhouse style sink with a lot of natural LED lighting throughout this coach to make it very easy to utilize this space when you're preparing your meals. You have this beautiful entertainment center here, a massive TV, a beautiful upgraded JBL audio system that absolutely rocks, both on the exterior as well as the interior here, with a subwoofer integrated into this TV cabinet. If you have a PlayStation 5, you don't have to worry about pulling this TV out all the time, running those HDMI cords. Right in here it has pass-through HDMI and USB, so you just plug it in here to the face of the radio and it will display on the TV. You also have a lot of storage, not only on what you see with these nice glass residential style inserts here on the uppers, but also behind the TV. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubbies for additional storage. You are going to love the sound and the entertainment value in this 391. You've got MCD shades to give you all the privacy that you want. This sofa is massive. It will easily seat 4 people, even my size, 6'3", 250. Obviously the center folds down. You've got massive cup holders here and a lot of charging capability. Every single cup holder here on both sides of this sofa as well as that sofa, you have USB plug-in charging. Also here, centered between the 2 cup holders and this flat surface area, you've got yet another space to charge your electronic devices. Here we are in the master suite. You have a massive closet here to utilize for all the storage necessary for all your clothing items here in this master suite. They also have nice glass inserts with mirror finish. Also, this nice countertop, which I like, and again, is solid surface. Also, you have a lot of continued storage above the king size bed. Nightstands on both sides, along with power on both sides with wireless charging pad here on this nightstand. Alright everybody, so that is a sneak peek of the all-new 391 Road Warrior. Now, there's a lot of features and a lot more value that you get in this floor plan, so continue doing your search at heartlandrvs.com. Thanks everybody.